I've dealt with a lot of lawyers over the last 30 years, and it's always a little bit different. And what I found with lawyers will usually be very good at getting you in the door and then really not very responsive once the retainer check has cleared. And I can say that that was never the case with Parag or his office. He just has always been, in my interactions with him, has always returned my calls in a timely fashion, always returned my emails in a timely fashion. He never, kind of threw me off onto somebody on his staff. And I really appreciated that. His communication is excellent. I mean, above and beyond his legal work, which is superb, just the ongoing working experience with him has been among the best that I've had dealing with members of the legal profession. I would say anytime that you're dealing with anything legal, it's a drain. It's a drain on your mental resources, it's a drain on your financial resources. It takes away time from your family. So the fact that this is now behind me and has been sorted out in a way that I'm comfortable with, it's been great. It's just freed me up to focus more attention on my business and on my family and on other things that are, more important to my quality of life than dealing with legal matters. Whenever you're dealing with a legal issue, maybe you will win, maybe you won't. What really matters is that you're dealing with somebody who has great communication skills, who involves you in the process, and who has multiple angles of attack rather than just one fixed point of view. And that's something that Parag has. He sees the whole board rather than just one small piece of it. And then you also want to be working with somebody who has the ability to help manage you as the client when you get emotional, somebody who can be dispassionate. And Parag does all of that. So it's not just his understanding of the law and his ability to be a lawyer, which is, in my opinion, excellent, but it's also in his ability to manage the client relationship, which is, for me, was very, very important, and he did a great job with that. So yes, I would unequivocally recommend Parag to friends, family, business associates, just not anybody who I would want to go up against legally. I would want Parag on my team, not anybody else's. I was very happy with the results that I received. And it was a very difficult case. There was a lot of twists and turns, and Parag and his entire team were just superb throughout. I have to say that I'm happy with how the results came out.